So how can you convert a 4K video to 1080p on Android? So let me show you how you can basically do this. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Of course, there are more ways how you can get this done, but I believe that the best way to do it would be through a video editor. And there are, of course, more apps which can get the job done, but there are some notable mentions like the CapCut application, which is a great video editor. Mostly free, depends on how many times you have used it before, but you can basically just start this, open up a new project, and import the 4K video into the timeline. And the point is that you don't even have to perform any changes to it. You can just, remove the ending if you don't want to, or perhaps you want to add some effects. But the most important part is to tap on the export options at the top and decide the resolution. So, of course, we have the 1080p, 2K, and 4K. So, of course, we can export it in just 1080p, perhaps lower down the frame rate, or even enable some other features like the optical flow or the code rate. So there are more settings for it. And yeah, some of the features may be even locked with a premium feature, but it's mostly, the 4K exporting anyway. And since we want to export in a 1080p, then it should be fine. So this should be a nice way to downscale a video from 4K to the full HD. So I hope it makes sense. I hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the next videos too.